Hello guys, welcome to Learn with the YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see what is the percentage. This topic is very useful in profit and loss concept, time distance and period concept, and many more concepts. This topic is very useful. Now let us see how to calculate the percentage. For calculating the percentage, the formula is part of the amount divided by whole amount into 100. Here there is an example problem for calculating the percentage. Now let's see the example problem. For example, the marks obtained by a student in an exam is 576 out of 600. Now find the percentage of marks. We have to apply the above formula, that is like this: marks obtained by total marks into 100. The marks obtained is 576 and total marks is 600. We have to divide 576 by 600 and then multiply it with 100. Then we got the percentage value, that is 96. And now let us see the second topic, that is salary based problems. It is either to calculate the salaries. Here let's see an example. If salary of a person is rupees 10,000 and the company increases his salary 10%, what was his salary now? For calculating this type of problems, we have to solve like this. Here the given amount of salary to a person is 10,000 and the company increases the person's salary by 10%. Here you always remember, when there is percentage after the number, you have to divide the number with 100 like this. Now by applying the same concept here, 10 divided by 100, and we have to multiply the total salary like this. If we perform this calculation, we got the 1,000 rupees. Now we have to add the 1,000 rupees to the 10,000. If we add 10,000 to 1,000 rupees, then we got 11,000. The company increases 1,000 rupees to the person's salary. Now person's salary is 11,000. Now let us see the another question. Here the question is, if Radha spends 20% of her monthly salary on saving, the 20% salary of Radha is rupees 1,500. Find the total salary of the Radha per month. Here we have to find the total salary of a person. They given 20% of her salary as 1,500. Now we have to calculate the total amount of her salary. To calculate the total amount of her salary, we have to divide with the given percentage like this. Here we take 100 as the numerator and 20 as the denominator. Here why 20 means, here in the question they given 20%. That's why here we take 20. After writing this fraction, we have to multiply the value with 1,500. The 1,500 is the 20% of her monthly savings. If we perform the calculation like this, we got the value 7,500. So the monthly salary of Radha is rupees 7,500. Now let's see the discount problems. If a shopkeeper gives 20% discount on rupees 500, then what is the amount we have to pay? For this type of question, for 100, then what they given, the discount given by shopkeeper is 20% and the total price of the item is 500. If we want to know how much amount they give at the discount, we have to perform the calculation like this. That is 20 by 100. Here why 20 by 100 means, as I told earlier, whenever the percent symbol is look, we have to take the number by 100 as denominator. After taking 20 by 100, we have to multiply with 500, that is total amount. If we perform the calculation, we got the answer 100. The 100 should be subtracted with the amount 500. If we subtract the 500 with the 100, then we got 400. So the amount we have to pay to shopkeeper is 400. In this way you can solve percentage problems. Hope you understand this concept. If you understand this concept, then give a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.